Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide video. Today I'll teach you how to fix your iOS 17 lag. So if you're also facing this issue where your iOS is lagging, then you can follow the couple of steps which I'm going to show you in order to fix it. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First step, you want to go on your iPhone setting, and on your iPhone setting, you can see this option called General. Click on General, and right below iPhone storage, you can see this option called Background App Refresh. Click on this, and at the top where it says Background App Refresh, click on it and make sure it's turned off, right? Once it's turned off, what you can do is go back and then close your setting and go on App Store. Now sometimes due to lack of update as well, it causes this problem. So click on the little profile picture icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you click on your account, it's going to bring you to the account center of App Store. Over here, scroll a bit down. And if there's any update available for your iPhone, it's going to show you update all. So I'm going to click on update all, and all of my app which needs to be updated, it's going to be updated. And once the update is complete, basically my problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is go on setting, and inside setting, what you want to do is clear the browsing history and cookies of your Safari browser. So inside settings, scroll all the way down until you see Safari. Once you see Safari, click on it and scroll all the way down again at the bottom until you see this option called Clear History and Website Data. Click on this and it's asking, are you sure? So we are, so we'll click on Clear History and Data. Once we do that, our problem should be fixed. And there's also another thing you can do. So what you want to do is go back on your setting again, and inside setting you want to go on accessibility now. And inside accessibility, you want to click on motion. And over here where it says reduce motion, make sure you click on that and turn it on. And once you do that, basically it should be fixed. You can now close your setting again, and your motion should be reduced and your problem should most likely be fixed. And make sure to restart your iPhone after doing all of this, alright? And your problem should be fixed. So hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.